In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to Spotify playlist. If you've ever wanted friends to help build the perfect mix for a road trip, a party, or a shared mood, this is exactly how to do it, clearly and step by step. First, open the Spotify desktop app on your computer. This needs to be the full desktop application, not the web player in a browser. The collaboration feature we're using appears reliably in the desktop app, so make sure you've launched that version and you're signed into your account. Next, look to the left sidebar where all your playlists live. Find the playlist you created and want to make collaborative. It needs to be one you made yourself, not a playlist you merely follow, or one created by someone else. If you have a lot of playlists, you can click into your library to locate it more easily. Open the playlist so you're sure you've got the right one. Now, move your mouse to the playlist name. You can either right-click the playlist title directly in the sidebar or open the playlist and click the three dots next to the name. Both actions open the same menu, so pick whichever feels more natural. This menu is where Spotify keeps all the key options for organizing and sharing your playlists. From that menu, choose Invite Collaborators. Selecting this tells Spotify you want others to be able to add, remove, and reorder tracks on this playlist. When you pick Invite Collaborators, Spotify generates a special shareable link. Anyone with this link can collaborate, so think of it as an edit invite, not just a view link. Your friends will need a Spotify account to participate, but they don't need a paid plan to add songs. Finally, share the link with your friends. You can paste it into your favorite messaging app, drop it in an email, or post it wherever your group coordinates. When they open the link, they'll be added as collaborators and can start contributing right away. Keep in mind, because this link grants editing access, share it only with people you trust. If you're organizing a large group, it can help to agree on a simple theme or a few ground rules so the playlist stays cohesive. That's all there is to it. Open the desktop app, find your playlist, right-click or use the three dots, choose Invite Collaborators, and share the link. With just those steps, you've turned a solo playlist into a group project, ready for everyone's best picks. Enjoy building something great together and have fun discovering new tracks from your friends.